Well, that wouldn't even.
So this is standard fuel, not race fuel. Just because you've got
99 octane fuel, but it is not. It's just your average fuel. Yes.
So do you know how much fuel you need to put in this?
No idea. You're the one who bought it with no idea. No idea what you bought.
Story of my life. I brought a truck as well.
Yeah.
No idea about that. That's costing me a fortune. Nice straps though.
Yeah. That pump is well made up now. Do you hear it squealing its tits off? Got loads of fuel in it.
Does it just leak straight out the bottom?
Quite possibly. Cobbled together.
So what we don't know is what's full and how much big the tank is, right?
Yeah, but that'll do us a few laps on it anyway, and then we'll come back and
We'll sup it up.
check it. We'll know when it's running out because that fuel pump will start squealing its head off again.
After scrutineering. Yeah.
3/4 of your fast maximum rev, so around about 4,500.
Nice. Thanks guys.
A very gloomy morning.
But it's not raining, so
Not
that is a
raining.
benefit. And we are at Oulton Park, as promised. We're here with the RSi Cup Car, Beetle.
See what
And
see what falls off it first, I guess.
we don't know if we're going to get round the first lap because it's never been run.
No.
New pads last night, just to bed in as well.
Oh
for
yeah,
today.
they were in a bad way.
So we might make it round. We might do a few laps, but it'll be interesting for us. It's not about, obviously with this car, it's not about the speed. It's actually about how it drives and how it corners, which is going to be a little bit new for us, really.
yeah, the deciding
Because yours is straight line, man.
speed we can do it. It's just about seeing, how it is and see what we want to do and whether we want to put any more money into the car and or just, I don't know,
Well,
build
you're
something.
putting some money in.
Build something. How much of your money we're going to put into the car?
So
However,
we passed the sound check, which is good, and helmets are in the car, ready to roll.
sighting lap
We're going to do
first.
some sighting laps, and then so we'll get in. Hopefully, we'll get around the sighting laps and we'll get into it. This is it, Tabby.
This is it. See
You
how
don't see anything around you. You don't know how wide the car is. Nothing.
Can you see that mirror all right?
No,
Can't see behind you.
not really. Do you want to pull it in? Joking.
I can try, but I'll have to open though. We should have fixed that before you left.
This is what's going to be interesting. This box.
The box is alright. The interesting bit is it being on the wrong side. That's the interesting
Oh, I
bit.
know. That's supposed to be red.
Yeah, it's recording.
You ever been on Oulton?
No.
Oh, no. It's a track to learn. Throws you about when you if you get it wrong. So never power down here. Roll down this corner. You'll see it will roll down and then nicely turn in. Then on the power straight. Turn the heating down.
Yeah. Get the aircon on.
Flat out through here. Head towards the tree. And when you get to here, off the gas and let it roll in. This is where John went off.
What this is?
There, yeah.
What?
We played a lap.
Is that it?
That's the lap coming up now, yeah. That's That's not a fast lap, that's just a warm-up. I think he thought that was quite a fast pace lap. Sounds the nerves. You just have to pull over and let them go past you and get your own pace.
Yeah, I don't mind. You know, I can drive. I'm not worried about that. Well, I think so.
Drive your missus mad.
But you know, we used to these straight line machines on there, but you normally do all the track driving. You need to gas it. Don't forget. Take out gear first. Get through there. Well, Adam didn't move, so I'm gonna say yeah. Huh? Another car.
good. It was good. You like it?
Yeah, it's alright.
It was alright.
Let's see, give it a go in a minute.
Built the confidence now?
Yeah, I think it's still just the sheer amount of cars that are out there. But
There's a lot of cars out there. So we let quite a few come past just to, you know, got a bit of a blue flag going on.
yeah.
Faster ones coming up behind, but no, it was the brakes actually got better, I think, which seen as a brand new set of pads and bending in.
Yeah.
But it does feel pretty quick for a 200 horsepower Beetle. I mean, the straights,
well, it's good in the corners. The straights
are
it's
a
got
bit,
nothing.
It's
got nothing giving the straights.
The straights are a bit boring, but yeah. So we're going to get Tabby out now, and let's see how you fare up. Just don't come off the track.
Try and stay on the track.
Stay on the black stuff.
Time for Tabby time.
See if we can keep it on the track.
Tabby time.
Tell you Tabby time. Right, let's go.
You have to watch your left arm when you're in that seat because of the way it's positioned. You kept elbowing me every time you were shifting. I had to put my arm like this because you get the dead arm.
Let it roll down. Let it roll down. Right, keep going. Press and roll. That's your apex.
Right, okay.
Let it go. Everyone thinks the first apex is your apex. It's not. Yeah. It's the second apex, yeah?
Yeah.
Over. And then in, like he's just done. Not too sharp though. Let the floor go. Right. Follow him. the bank, up the bank. Tuck it in. Nice, go. Keep going, keep going.
That third gear, I'm clutching every time.
What?
I'm clutching, I don't know what's going on.
Right, let this car go, let this car go.
I will, but I'm like, gotta get these turns out first tonight.
Over there, remember? Not that apex, not that apex. Brake here.
Yeah.
Go on the outside of him, go, 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 go.
Can I go? You're not supposed to overtake on corners, are you?
To the apex, to there. Right, follow him. Watch, he turns now. Now he turns in. Right, power, but not too much. Triggering. Flat out and in. Right, and now nicely turn it in. So you want to head towards that,
Yeah.
a bit wider. Out to the edge. That's it, keep going. Just keep, now try and leave a little bit of power on. Roll it in. Yeah? Now flat out. Get that shape curving. Keep going. Watch his line. In. Right. Straight. Flat. Keep going. Brake. Hard brake. Turn. In. Over to the end and over to the left. Nicely. Aim for the cone. And go. Flat out. Flat out to the left. And over to the big tree. Over the tree. Go. Nice. Over to the left. Brake. Second apex. Flat. Now you get in. Windows coming off. Come in. How was that?
Good.
Did you get quicker?
Yeah. Get more confident with
Because
it.
you're learning that where to be on the track. So you
Yeah.
take
It wasn't too bad. I know there's quite a few cars out, but we weren't the slowest, that's for sure.
That gave you. Do you see how much buff? I mean, if you went out on your own, you have no idea.
No.
So getting told where to, and I ain't telling you, but it's like,
No, it's good. It's good.
what's going on with you with them gears?
It was just that third. I kept fucking clutching and kept fucking grinding. I had to like be really slow with it. Do you know what? Towards the end, then I was just dead slow on it, just so it didn't fucking grind. But yeah, no, I was just. Yeah, when I first went out with you, then and then there was a couple of cars coming up behind you, and I thought, fuck this. I'm not gonna enjoy this, but.
And then when you start to realise because you could feel yourself getting a bit quicker, couldn't you?
Yeah, I was thinking I can take this one and I thought I'll just tuck in, just let them go. Just because it's just easier, innit?
Let it roll. Brake. No.
busier than the last one. Overtake him on a corner, can I? No, I know, but you need to come on. That's the apex. Right, go. Break down, right, steady now. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hard braking, and then turn in. Nice and that's it. Very dead on the steering. Flat out, into the left. Yeah, them tyres, fucking, I don't know. Maybe it was me, probably was me. But I felt like them tyres just got less grippy.
So that was your first, or Tabby's first track experience ever, I gather?
Yes.
No straight line now?
I've been out obviously on the track with you before, and we've been on the ring, but obviously as a passenger, so yeah. My first experience driving
on the track.
Yeah.
And how was it?
I really enjoyed it. Yeah. So, I mean, I know we like building the straight line drag stuff, but you know, it's a lot of fun.
Better?
I would say a lot more fun. Yeah.
So, I know Tabby didn't want me to mention, but there was a little bit of an off, wasn't it, Tabby?
Is it count if you don't hit the gravel or the grass?
But apparently it wasn't him. It was the tyres that gone off.
The tyres, yeah. Or me being a little overly confident, maybe. But yeah.
How was it with me shouting at you?
All right, yeah, it's good. It's good instruction. Yeah.
And you got faster as the laps
we
went
got
on?
faster and faster. The second time out, when we went out, there's a lot more cars this time, so you couldn't just kind of get into the groove of it. The first few laps we did, we were getting quicker and quicker and quicker.
So now you're going to buy your own track car, get your own kit, and you're going to come to tracks?
Probably not. You're going to buy another track car, maybe, and we'll go. Yeah, I've got too many kids, and yeah.
Oh, and what else is going on this year?
I'm getting married.
Oh, he's getting married,
yeah.
So he's got no chance of
no
getting
chance of a track car. Definitely not this year, anyway. So.
Right, so we're going to go back out. I'm going to have a drive now, and you're going to have a drive, and then we're, I'm glad that the actual car's
still going. Yeah, after quite a few laps now.
There's a couple of clonks that we had on the steering, which we need to check, but it's going well.
Yeah, they don't worry about clunks, squeaks, and knocks on a race car.
Need more power, Captain.
Oh, it definitely needs more power. When you're getting out on those
did this do 200 and...
it was like was it 202 or...
202, 207, 204 on the... Yeah.
Yeah, slow. That's what it did.
When you saw an upset face.
Yeah.
Right,
so,
let's get to it.
Turbos. Oh no. That's not good. Don't have it! Not just me! I thought it looked like
it did, something different, and it doesn't work.
window's gone again.
Hey?
The window.
Is it? There's a fucking problem with that gear there.
It's the clutch, you know, because when you come off and then you know where that last corner and it dips and you come up onto that straight,
Yeah.
it sounds like it slips every time. Every time you do that. I don't know if we were in too high a gear or just, well, probably the clutch is a bit shit anyway, but
This just fucking slides backwards and
I
forwards
know.
like a fucking. Sometimes I'm like, oh, a bit of fresh air. Oh, it's gone. Bit of fresh air. It's gone.
noise is getting worse.
Well.
Yeah, we are now done our second little session. Well,
Second or
I've
third
done my second session.
Yeah. So you spent the most time off the track so far.
Well, I don't know about the most time off the track. It is 1-1 now. I did. Listen, I say that I was testing the limit of the car because we have to for your safety.
Okay.
So I decided to brake a little bit later just to test, to be a bit quicker.
Here comes the rain.
And I met the green stuff a little bit, which you'll see on the camera, or on the video, sorry, not the camera. But I held it and got back on, and it was a quick lap. It was quick.
It was very quick.
So yeah, what do you think about that? Did you have a scary moment?
No, it was actually, although you came off the track, it was pretty well
held.
So,
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, I wasn't worried.
Do you want that tenner
I wasn't
now?
worried. It's raining.
I can feel a
Do
bit
we
of
want to
rain.
get back in this car?
Rain for Tabby's next
It's
session.
going to rain, so let's let it rain. Let Tabby go out.
Let's get back in this car. You just want me to go off the track now, don't you? So you can go. Hey.
Right, so Tabby's next session to see if he's got any quicker. Right, well, that's it. Tabby, first track day, what did you think?
Yeah, no.
Have you got the bug?
Yes, absolutely.
He's bugged out.
Yeah, I mean, we're just getting faster and faster and faster. Pushing
It
the
was
car.
because you had a great teacher.
That's it.
Great,
This is it.
great tuition.
Yeah, a great tuition. Yes, no, you know, yeah, good following the lines you took. We were just getting faster and faster and faster.
And
now,
more importantly, the Beetle did well. No faults,
actually
no issues.
held up.
Apart from
nothing but
we
the-
did have one of the rear windows pop out.
that was
coming
the
off the
only
track.
issue, but I knew something was going to try and fall off anyway.
And there was a few times that you might have seen in the video where we struggled to find third gear.
well, yeah, you'll definitely see that. Yeah, I think it's
But no, it was good. We said that we would get it out on track. We're at Oulton Park. It's been absolutely fantastic. Weather's held off, and yeah. So what we're going to do next? Well,
that's the question.
we have
isn't it?
let's say someone has just offered us a deal for a 400 horsepower motor to go in there.
A naturally aspirated
with
management system and everything.
Yeah, so we could do that. We could just put it back in the showroom, or
Come out back out in it again.
we could get another track car where we can get a more modern track car, just because if we do come off, or you do come off, and we do the front bumper on this, there isn't one available to put back on it.
So yeah,
So at least if we got an updated car like we did, then if you smash it up,
I guess
well,
we've got some decisions to make.
yeah. So in the comments, what should we do? Shall we put this monster engine in,
Yeah.
naturally aspirated, or shall we
Fully
go
built
with
motor,
the
naturally aspirated full management system, or do
turbo,
we go?
or do we just
I
get
don't-
something else?
I don't think turbo
If we don't do this car, what should we
turn into a track
and
car.
turn into a track car?
It's a good question. Let us know.
Thanks for watching.